Top 12 breakfast, lunch, and dinner, etc. in Japanese. Breakfast 朝食朝食 or 朝ごはん朝ごはん Please repeat after me. 朝食 Good. 朝ごはん Good. Lunch 昼食昼食 or お昼ごはんお昼ごはん Please repeat after me. 昼食 Good. お昼ごはん Good. Dinner 夕食夕食 or 晩ごはん晩ごはん Please repeat after me. 夕食 Good. 晩ごはん Good. Snack おやつおやつ Please repeat after me. おやつ Good. Midnight snack 夜食夜食 Please repeat after me. 夜食 Good. Eating between meals 間食間食 Please repeat after me. 間食 Good. Snack or finger food or nibble おつまみおつまみ Please repeat after me. おつまみ Good. Evening drink 晩酌晩酌 Please repeat after me. 晩酌 Good. Leftovers 残り物残り物 Please repeat after me. 残り物 Good. Great. Let's check how many words do you remember. Quick quiz. Number 1. Which one means breakfast in Japanese? A. 間食 B. お昼ご飯 C. 朝ごはん The answer is C. 朝ごはん Number 2. Which one means dinner in Japanese? A. おやつ B. おつまみ C. 夕食 The answer is C. 夕食 Number 3. Which one means midnight snack in Japanese? A. おつまみ B. 夜食 C. おやつ The answer is B. 夜食 Great! Today we've learned top 12 breakfast, lunch, and dinner in Japanese. Fantastic progress. Hope you found them useful. Thank you for watching. ご視聴ありがとうございます。If you'd like our video, please subscribe and smash the bell. 動画が面白かったら、グッドボタン、チャンネル登録、よろしくお願いします。See you next video. またねー。